Hippopotamus milk is pink. It contains two unique acids called hipposudoric acid and norhipposudoric acid, which are red and orange, respectively. Ever wondered why hippopotamus milk is pink? It's due to two special acids. Meet hipposudoric acid and norhipposudoric acid. These aren't your everyday acids. They're red and orange, giving the milk its unique pink hue. We're not just talking about a splash of color here. When combined, these acids create a bright, vibrant pink. But it's not just about looks. These acids have antibacterial and sunscreen properties too. So next time you see a hippo, remember, their milk isn't just pink, it's a marvel of nature's chemistry.